Okay, to be honest, if I were you, you need to cut a lot off there, at least there.
How many is that?
About 4 inches.
Oh! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about my hair. On this video, you will get a hair length update and you will see my mother cut my hair. Dun, dun, dun. She's going to trim it for you guys so you can see how she trims it and see what she does. And yeah, it will be very interesting to see what she does because I'm only having it trimmed. And remember on my last video I said I had a tail like that and I want to make it more round, so that's what we're going to do today. But I don't want to cut too much length off. Okay, before we go any further, don't forget to hit subscribe wherever it is, and don't forget to hit that bell and then click always get notifications, since that's a new thing. And please leave me a thumbs up and a comment in the comment section below. Okay, back to the video. So my goal, as you know, or you may not know, is to get my hair to about 30 inches of length, okay? 30 inches is a long hair, that's like tailbone length. And if you see, if I stand up, you can see the situation going on. Very long now and I'm very happy with that. But like I said, it's very thin and it's like I have a tail at the end. I'm not happy. And last month we got amazing results. We got 1.5 inches in 1 month of hair growth using Curly Proverbs hair growth oil twice a week. So yeah, now I'm going to measure. So let's see where we are up to. I hope this films my hair and not my tummy. I'm gonna go down a bit so we can see. I don't know if I'm in frame or not. Okay, so we were on 28 inches. Let's see where we are. Okay, we're just past 28. But I do the measuring 3 times so we can get an accurate shot of what is going on. So I'm going to stand a bit lower. Okay, I'm getting 28.5. I'm going to settle for 28.5. So it has grown half an inch this month, which is great. So as you know, my goal is 30 inches and I'm only 1.5 inches away, but I'm not having it. I just feel like it's just like it's too scraggly, it's too stringy, it's not thick enough. And I feel like my hair being thicker and longer will look nicer than it being really stringy and long. So I'll show you from the back what it looks like. So very long, but this is what I'm talking about. I feel like I need to cut that much off, but I don't want to cut that much because that's a lot of hair. You've got to remember the ends of your hair, your oldest parts of your hair. So my old hair is still processed, so I feel like probably this much is still processed hair. Still all old hair. So yeah, you can see that my hair's still very thin. And I know I'm not going to get it super thick because you can't grow new follicles of hair like we talked about in my previous videos, but I will link the oil and all the ingredients where to buy from in the description box below. Okay guys, now it's going into the trim and then we'll talk there. Hi guys, so here we are with my beautiful mother. She's gonna cut my hair now. So what my mum has told me is that it's best not to hold it up to the top because we might lose too much length and too much in the layering. So I'm just gonna stand up and mum's gonna trim from the back and then feather it from the front. So that's why I'm gonna be standing up for this part of the video. So do you want to talk then?
Oh, do I talk? Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry if there's a picture.
Video.
I'm just going to slightly come in, just taking that much. Yeah?
I just kind of want the
ends off.
Yeah, the ends that are like wispy now off, but I don't want to lose too much of my length. But I'm sick of it looking scraggly at the end.
So bringing your hair forward and just literally trimming what needs.
My mum wants her own YouTube channel. Do you think Mum should make her own? Or do you think you should see more videos of me and my mum?
No.
Comment in this comment section below.
Don't you lose too much length that she'll have to be good on the camera, don't I?
Yeah, you can.
They told me I have to be very good on the camera. She is so tall I can't even reach her hair, everybody.
My mum's about 5. It used to be 5'3", but I feel like she's gone short now. Probably like 5'2" now.
Yes, girl, that means I'm getting old, everybody, and I'm shrinking. Sorry, keep on covering your beautiful face.
I don't think my face is in the shot anyway.
Oh, is it? No, that's fine then.
I've got a guest over, so you can probably hear their mumbling in the back.
Okay, I'm going to take it back here. Okay, to be honest, if I were you, you need to cut a lot off there, at least there.
How many is that?
About 4 inches.
Oh, Sanara.
Now.
It's finished.
Yes, it's a U shape.
Yeah, see, that looks better now.
Okay.
It looks a bit thicker. Thanks, Mummy.
Okay, you need it there. If you go like this, so put a shape and you said U shape is not the V.
So it doesn't look bad like that?
No.
But the
just look on the floor.
Yeah, I'll show you at the floor in a second. But just look at the ends, is so much better now. Definitely.
Okay, goodbye.
Definitely prefer it. Bye, Mother. Thank you, beautiful queen.
Beautiful queen. I'll tell you about her. She's very naughty.
No.
Okay.
Right. If you want to see me and my mum do a video, please comment in the comment section below. We'll do a mother and daughter time. My hair is in pretty good condition. Let me take this off so you can see it on the hair. Do you know what? I'm happy if my mum does a bit more.
Have it, so what you can do is have a like now you're going to have a disconnection, or I have to connect from the back. I'm just going to cross check her hair now.
Because it feels better and it feels thicker once I have a trim.
Yeah.
And it's one length, because I didn't like the wispy ends.
Let me just check.
Okay. You can see the shine on it as well.
That's because she's going to shine because she's my daughter. So she's inherited the shine.
And the curly proverbs hair growth oil that Mum hates the smell of.
Oil, yes, it's disgusting oil, but it's very good for you.
Yeah, very good. Look at this shine, guys.
Look at my shine and my long hair, guys.
I did my mum's hair.
Am I in the frame or whatever you think? Okay, goodbye.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're back in this location. Just seeing the live trim. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so much better. It's crazy how a trim can actually make your hair feel so much better. Like, oh, it feels so nice. Before I was like, so nice, and then in the end. So I'm not mad. I'm really not mad at the fact that I've had it trimmed and it's a lot shorter. Like, I feel like it was very, very needed indeed. So I have guests over. So if you hear mumbling, that's what it is. It's not just me in the background. Okay, so let's see how much we actually cut off. I think we've cut off maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches, maybe. So it was 28.5 inches and it cuts off so easy. Gone to 25. I've cut 3.5 inches of length. Oh my god. Guys, that's so sad. It's taken me so long to get those 3.5 inches. Compose, compose, don't cry. But I feel like it's needed. That's the worst thing, that's a pet peeve of mine. When you have long hair and your ends are dead and scraggly and they don't look good, there's no point. Yeah, straight up to a blunt 25, like straight up. So 3.5 inches were cut then. And it is that wispy, those wispy ends. Yep, 25. So we have cut actually 3.5 inches have gone of length, which is really sad. So back to 25 inches. I was there months and months and months ago. Probably like a year ago, maybe. Let me see. No. So my hair has grown 1.5 inches for 1 month. So let's take that up from 28.5 to 27. So 27, 26, 25, and that would have taken 4 months. It's taken me about 5 months to get the length that I have. So we fast forwarded 5 months ago to that hair length of 25 inches. But do you know what? I'm really happy with that because, like I said, like there's no point me having that long wispy hair touching my tailbone when it's all scraggly, because I feel like if I had left it for a longer time I would have actually had to cut a lot more off, because the dry damage and maybe even split ends would have started to grow and go further up. Because it is summer, my hair is getting very dry. Even though I'm putting the oil on, and even when my hair's wet I'm putting oil on before I even straighten it, it is a lot hotter. And even though I live in Manchester, I know we have a lot of humid heat, so we do still have the moisture, but still, like, it still dries out in the sun, and we don't want that. We want nice luscious hair. So yeah, we can see that it is quite a nice cut and it's quite a nice shine. We can see the shine on it a lot more. Like a lot more shine, and I feel like even though it's just the ends that have gone, it just looks better. It's in better condition, it's got better life to it. Oh, though I'm kind of sad that we've lost that much length. 3.5 inches, I was expecting 2 maximum, but it's worth it if my hair's going to look better. Look at the ends now, look completely blunt but completely healthy. And I'd rather have healthy hair than unhealthy hair. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said in the earlier, if you do want to see more videos of my mum, please let me know in the comment section below. That'd be cool because she's hilarious. And let me know anything you want to know about my hair or hair length, and I will try to answer it as best as I can in the comment section below. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.